Have you found that a millionaire lifestyle on YouTube isn't quite as easy as some may have you believe? You may have envisioned YouTube success to look a little something like this. Oh, hello. How can I help you today, sir? Give me a medium-sized YouTube channel, 100,000 subscribers, and make sure it has one of those silver play buttons. I really like that, huh? Well, sure. Anything else? You know what the heck? Just throw in a couple of monthly sponsorships while you're at it. You got it. Great, that was easy. How much do I owe you? Let's see, with at least 100,000 subscribers, the play button, and sponsorships, that comes to right about 13 years of your life. Well, this is why so many quit YouTube early, because it's just plain hard. But dude, they make it look so easy, just sitting around collecting checks. Yeah, that's true. Some do get big really fast. But tell you what, let's talk about some expectations and things that you can do to make sure that you achieve YouTube success, even if it's not overnight. But wait, I don't have anything to start. How can I be successful if I don't know what to do? Well, the first thing you can do is just start. So many people wait for the perfect niche, wait for the perfect situation, wait for the perfect equipment. The best thing you can do is just start filming yourself talking about stuff that you like. It's really not that difficult. You just have to redefine the word success. Hey, pay attention. Don't wait to call it success whenever you reach the top of that mountain, whenever you become a millionaire, whenever you've got your private jet. Because in all honesty, some of those things might never happen, and if they do, it may be really far away. So you need to make sure and keep yourself motivated by counting the successes along the way. So whoa, wait a second. You're telling me I could be successful before I'm rich? Absolutely. See, now you're getting it. The biggest way to success is to learn, implement, and grow. That means that every time you do something, whether you're working on thumbnails, whether you're working on lighting, or you're working on getting a new camera, whatever it is that you're doing, you're constantly getting better at it and making it so that your videos you're putting out aren't the same trash you served before. Oh, dude. Speaking of which, yes, your first videos will probably be trash, but you've got to get through the trash to get to a point where you're actually putting out something that people want to enjoy. So when you begin with whatever you have, whether that be a cell phone or an old camcorder from back in the day, whatever it is, just start on it and you automatically have areas that you know you can improve. And there'll be other areas you figure out you can improve on just simply by doing the job that you were so scared to start in the first place. So get your bad videos out of the way and start focusing on the best quality you can every single next video. That all sounds well and good, but how can I improve if I don't have any money yet, dude? You know, that's a really good point. You can take advantage of a lot of different free programs that'll help you on your YouTube journey. For one thing, there's a program called VidIQ that you should absolutely get. There's a free version and there's different paid versions, but it'll help you with keyword research and different things to make sure that your videos are as optimized as much as possible to help the YouTube algorithm to know what to do with them. And if you're having trouble with thumbnails, Canva is another free program that you can get paid versions for if you would like to help you do the best production quality thumbnails possible on no budget. And if editing videos seems like a daunting task with too much money involved, there's a free editing program called CapCut that I use all the time. It's pretty simple to learn. You can do things as simple as cut up video, or you can even do things with green screens and do fun little skits. I personally don't do that. This is all real. Okay, so if I have these programs, I get my silver play button. Well, there's still a lot more to it than that. Dude, you have to know your niche. That just means know your topic. Know the area of YouTube that you've chosen to be in, because chances are there are already successful people out there. Don't look at them as intimidation. Look at them as inspiration. All you have to do is look at what they've done that is successful and just mimic them, but do it in your own way. Don't worry about being exactly like somebody, just making sure that you're following the same principles and rules that they followed to gain the success that they have. Wait, but what if I can't figure out my niche? Niche? Nietzsche? Oh, well, that's the great part about YouTube. You can continue to experiment and do different things to see what kind of stuff that not only you like to do on YouTube, but what people like watching you do on YouTube. Now, you absolutely do need to make sure that you get yourself into a solid niche where people can count on you and know what to expect from you. But along the way, you can experiment and do different things. But if you think you're going to make a channel about just doing whatever you feel like all the time, it might take a while before you finally monetize that channel, because what people want to see is consistency. The best thing you can do is every time you post something, every time you make something new, every time you try something, look at the data and see whether or not in your YouTube studio, this is the kind of thing that you should continue doing if you need to give it a little bit more time or do it in a different way. Because if you don't learn, implement, and grow, all of it will be for waste. Oh man, it seems like 100,000 subs won't come overnight. Maybe I'll just start a channel and focus on getting just 1,000 subscribers for a while. How much is that? Oh, that's the best part. Not only is it free, but this will show you how you can get there even faster than normal.